How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our rear-facing L connector for our STL control boxes. So what this connector does is it plugs into your control box, and then it allows you to plug the cable harness from a rear-facing position to your control box. So we have this unit available for our Grand Control, our Direct Control, our GranDirect Control, and our Supreme Control Box here. And you'll see here how it plugs into the side of your control box, and then it puts your cable connection to that rear-facing position. So for example here, I brought our Supreme Control. Now standard, your cable harness will plug into the side of your switch box like so, coming out of the side of your switch box. Now if you would like your cable harness to come from a rear-facing position, that's where you'll use our L connector here. So the L connector will plug into your control box here, and then your cable harness will plug into the rear-facing position like you see here using the L connector. And then you can easily activate your light bar, and then you have your L connector with that rear-facing position plugged in as well. So you'll see it's very easy to get hooked up and going with your STL control box. So that covers our rear-facing L connector for our STL control boxes. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.